Hello, and welcome to the School Nurse Assistant Program SNAP Health Portal tutorial. Before you can log in, you must be enrolled. Go to the worcesterschools.org Health Portal Enrollment tab. Once you enroll, allow 24 hours to process, then check your email. An email will be sent to you at the address that you provided from no reply. It will be an external email from SNAP Health Portal welcoming you. Your username is the email address you enrolled with. Your password is temporary and should be used the first time you try to access your account. The email will provide the link to the SNAP Health Portal, www.studentehr.com. Enter your username and password. If you forget your password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Password. The very first time you log into the Health Portal, please use a computer or laptop. If you log in from a different device, you'll be asked to verify your child's account using your child's date of birth. Please enter the date of birth of your child using 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the day, and 4 numbers for the year. Upon logging into the Health Portal, you will see a portal announcement regarding COVID-19 reentry. Click Close. After closing the announcement, a reporting screen will open. The WPS district asks that you log in daily and fill out this form. You will receive a text message directing you to the Health Portal. A no response means that you are responding no to every question. A yes response means that you are responding yes to any of the questions and your child should remain home. Click Submit to confirm your responses. Once you click Submit, you will arrive at the home page. Going from left to right, you will see multiple icons at the top of the screen. Number 1, select your preferred language from the dropdown. Number 2, the child dropdown icon lists any children that you enrolled in the Health Portal. Make sure that you have the right child selected when entering information. Number 3, the green megaphone icon reopens the district announcements. And number 4, the bell icon lets you know if you have any notifications and where to look for them. Number 5, the upper body icon is the Settings tab where you can reset your password and log out. The main page displays demographic information that is imported from the district database. Review and notify your child's school secretary if you notice any errors. There are 3 areas that you can edit by clicking the blue Edit tab in the demographic section. Number 1, the insurance information. Number 2, the permission to treat your child and transport in an emergency. And number 3, you may add names of people of concern that you do not want to release your child to. The Context tab lists names of contacts that you have provided to your child's school. Please click the blue Confirm button to confirm your child's contacts located in the green banner in the middle of the screen. If there are any changes that need to be made, notify your child's school. Health conditions. This tab shows all of your child's past and current allergies and any other conditions. It allows you to add new and edit existing health conditions as well as upload documents by clicking the green Add tab. There's a pink banner in the middle of the screen. Click the blue Confirm button to confirm any health conditions. This will automatically alert your child's school nurse. Vaccines. This page shows your child's vaccination records and alerts of any vaccines that are not up to date. The blue Proof of Vaccination tab allows you to upload documents showing proof of vaccination. Medications. This page shows your child's medications and treatment orders, including any over-the-counter or OTC medications. Note the message on the screen which says no medication orders to show. You must click the blue OTC tab or the locked symbol. Once you click this OTC lock symbol, all over-the-counter medication options will display. You must click on the blue Opt-in tab and change them to red. The medications that you have selected will change the blue Opt-in tab to red Opt-out. Once tabs are red, you have confirmed your consent. Then click Done. The screen will then show any OTC medications that you gave permission to administer. Charts. This is where you can view graphs and charts of your child's specific health information. Screenings. This section shows all health screenings that are performed at school. It also shows physicals that are sent to the school or uploaded in the Health Portal. Please note that your school nurse will contact you for any screenings outside of normal limits. Letters. This page shows a list of documents sent to you by the school health office regarding your child. Documents that require signing will appear as a notification or bell icon on the Health Portal banner. Messages. The Message tab is where you can receive and reply to messages to the school nurse. Please note that all messages become part of your child's school health record and cannot be deleted. Forms. This page shows all forms and handouts used by the school health office. You may be asked to read, sign, or fill out these forms. Clicking the Return Now button will allow you to sign or submit a return form. The over-the-counter consent needs to be only read and electronically signed. Select Sign Only and then click Approve or Decline. You may also choose to enter related comments under reason for approving or declining. The Student Health and Emergency form needs to be downloaded, filled out, and then re-uploaded. By selecting the Choose File tab, you can upload the document from your computer or phone. Once you download the Student Health and Emergency form, select the Fill and Sign area on the right side of your screen. You can fill and sign any form. We are in the process of phasing this form out as we begin to use the Health Portal. The SNAP Health Portal provides a comprehensive way to manage your child's health information. It is a new and exciting software system used by our district. Thank you for helping us keep children healthy and safe.